Hello everybody, we have a big case in front of us. That means it's a Hot Wheels Car Culture 2-pack case. The last for 2024, and it comes with some of the best cars in the segment. In US, this is a Target exclusive and it might be in the stores right now. I get my cases from Hot Wheels Hunter and you can find the link to his website in the description. Go check it out and maybe you will find your case there. The first set is Nissan Trucks, and we have the 1975 Datsun Sunny truck in pink and the custom 1993 Nissan Hardbody in light blue. Nissan Sunny was a light pickup truck from the 70s that has only premium releases so far, but you have probably seen the leaks online. It will be added in the mainlines this year and it will also have a super treasure hunt version. Kind of the same story with the Nissan Hardbody, only part of premium series, and it's a highly modified lowrider version of it. We usually get repeats in these segments, and this time the Hardbody truck is a repeat. The other version was the premiere in the Cruise Boulevard, a 2019 car culture set. Sunny truck in this pink might be the one to catch your eyes, but I'm not sure who would buy this set just for one car. I guess you need to like both of them to get the whole set. There are two sets of Nissan trucks in the case, so it might be hard to find them in the stores. The second set is the Audi, and we have Audi S4 Quattro in blue and Audi R8 LMS in grey. In US, this Audi set might be a peg warmer, but here in Europe things are different, and it doesn't matter if it's Hot Wheels or other Diecast brands, German cars will always sell. The S4 is the high-performance model of the Audi A4, and in Hot Wheels has only been part of premium series. Unfortunately, this is a repeat of the premiere released in 2021 in the Deutschland design set. We have seen it on this channel before in stock color like this yellow version from the second Deutschland design set, as well as the Boulevard version in 2023 with racing liveries and deco. I like both, I think each of them have a different vibe. Different story with the Audi R8, a race car built for endurance racing competitions, only part of premium series, but this is the first stock color of it. All other variations having racing liveries on. In 2023, it was part of the race day set, and we can see how it looks with liveries compared to a plain stock color. It has also been part of the ID series, and to be able to roll on track sets, it suffered some modifications. Hot Wheels also have a stock R8 version released in the mainlines and speed machines, but I have seen collectors having issues with that one. The case has 3 of the Audi sets, so plenty for everyone. The last set is the Porsche, and we have Porsche 993 GT2 in yellow and Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 in metallic grey. When it comes to German cars, Porsche is right there on top, no matter where in the world you are. 993 is a high-performance track-based version of the Porsche 911, one that has been released in the mainlines as well as premium series, and it's the repeat of the set, one from the 2013 Boulevard, the older version of the segment, also one of the oldest in today's case unboxing. It has some very cool variations released, as well as a mail-in, an RLC release and a super treasure hunt. On the opposite side, the Cayman GT4 has 3 color variations, most of them in the premium sets, with a repeat in the Fast and Furious series, one of the best, the white version, that looks very clean and obviously one that I could not miss in my Hot Wheels collection. Probably no Hot Wheels collector is going to complain about this set. Both Porsches are nice, cool models to have, and even if one is a repeat, most of you will get past that. Is this set hyped, or better said the whole case? I enjoy the Porsche set the most, but they're all very nice. Wish I could open them to show them better, but I'm working on that and hopefully I can do that in the future videos. Subscribe if you enjoy this type of content, click on any of these links to keep on watching case unboxing videos, and have a great day ahead.